In this video, I am going to explain how to find the value of mean, median, mode in the case of frequency distribution. So here we have an example. In this example, we have income and number of workers is given. Income, that is 0 to 5, 5 to 10 and so on till 25 to 30 is given. So this is of the form continuous series. And number of workers is given, that is 5, 12, 22, 30, 36 and 40. So this is not the frequency because the values are already given in the form of ascending order. So this is cumulative frequency value. So first we have to find frequency value by using the given cumulative frequency value. So this number of workers is nothing but cumulative frequency, that is CF. Now we have to find frequency value. So first frequency value, that is first we have to write the first value as it is 5. Next we have to subtract second value minus first value. Suppose if we have frequency, for finding cumulative we are adding the values one by one. Similarly for finding frequency we have to subtract one by one value from the cumulative frequency value. Okay. Now we have to subtract second value minus first value, that is 12 minus 5, 7. Next third value minus second value, that is 22 minus 12, that is 10. Fourth value minus third value, that is 30 minus 22, 8. Fifth value minus fourth value, 36 minus 30, that is 6. And last value, that is 40 minus 36. So you will get 4. So this is the actual frequency value. This 5, 7, 10, 8, 6 and 4. This is the frequency value. Now we have to find mean, median and mode. Formula for mean, that is x bar equal to capital A plus sigma FD divided by N into C. Already I have explained how to find the values of mean, median, mode in the form of continuous series in a separate video. You could find the link for that video in the given description below. So formula for mean, x bar equal to A plus sigma FD divided by N into C. This A is assumed mean and F is frequency and capital N is total frequency and C is class interval. Next formula for median, L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into C. This L is nothing but lower limit and N is total frequency and CF is cumulative frequency. F is frequency of median class and C is class interval. Next formula for mode, L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 plus F2 into C. This L is nothing but lower limit of model class and this F0 is frequency of pre-model class, F1 is frequency of model class, F2 is frequency of post-model class and C is class interval. Now we have to find all the values, that is mid value D, F, D and cumulative frequency. So for that I have written the table with the values are first class limits. Class limit that is given in the problem 0 to 5 and so on till 25 to 30. Frequency. Frequency we have found out, right? 5, 7, 10, 8, 6, 4 that I have written here. Next we have to find mid value. Mid value, that is nothing but we have to add lower limit plus upper limit and divide it by 2. So that is 0 plus 5 divided by 2. So 5 divided by 2, 2.5. Similarly we have to find the rest of the values. 5 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 15 by 2, 7.5. Next 12.5. 17.5, 22.5 and last value is 27.5. This is the mid values. Next we have to find D. For finding D, we have to use this formula, that is x minus a divided by c. This a is assumed mean. We have to consider the middle value, that is this 12.5. So this is the assumed mean value, that is a. Either you can assume 12.5 or 17.5. Here I have taken 12.5, that is a, and c is nothing but class interval. So here the interval is 5. So c value is 5. Now substitute the values x. So mid value is nothing but x. So first consider first value 2.5. Substitute here 2.5 minus a. A value is 12.5. So divided by c value is 5. So if you subtract, you will get minus 2. Next substitute x value is 7.5. So 7.5 minus 12.5 divided by 5. If you substitute, you will get minus 1. Next third value is 12.5. So 12.5 minus 12.5, you will get 0. Next substitute 17.5. So 17.5 minus 12.5 divided by 5, that is 1. If you substitute 22.5, you will get 2. If you substitute 27.5, you will get 3. So this is the values of D. Next we have to find FD. FD is nothing but we have to multiply F and D. So first multiply first two values, 5 into here minus 2. So multiply, you get minus 10. Next is 7 and minus 1. So if you multiply, you will get minus 7. Next 10 into 0, that is 0. Next 8 into 1, 8. Next 6 into 2, that is 12. And 4 into 3, that is also 12. Next CF. CF is given in the problem itself, that is number of workers value. 5, 12, 22, that value. So you have to write that as 5, 12, 22, 30, 36 and 40. So after that we have to find the total values, that is total of F, that is capital N, 40. Next sigma FD total. So if you add all the values, you will get 15. Now you have to substitute the values in the mean, median and mode formula. So first we will find out mean. So mean, that is x bar equal to a plus sigma FD divided by n into c. So x bar equal to, what is a? A, that is assumed mean, 12.5 plus sigma FD. FD total is 15 divided by n. N total, that is 40 into c value, class interval. Here class interval, that is 0 to 5, 5 to 10 and so on, 25 to 30. So c is 5. So if you solve, you will get 12.5 plus 15 into 5 divided by 40. So the value is 1.875. So if you add these two, you will get the mean value, that is x bar equal to 14.375. This is the value of mean. Next we have to find the value of median. Median is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by F into C. So for finding median, we have to first consider the total value of frequency, that is 40, right? So first find out n by 2. So median class value is n by 2. N is 40 divided by 2, that is 20. So median class value is 20th item. So now consider the cumulative frequency value. Just check whether we have 20. So in this cumulative frequency we don't have 20 value. So but 20 lies in between this 12 and 22. Okay, so first we have to consider the minimum value, that is cumulative frequency value. This is CF, and maximum value corresponding class limit, that is 10 to 15. So this 10 is lower limit of median class, and frequency is F. So this is the frequency value. Okay, so L is the median class lower limit value, that is 10. Frequency value is also 10, and cumulative frequency value is 12, because this 20 lies in between these two values. So the smallest value is cumulative frequency, and largest value corresponding F, that is 10, is frequency of median class, and 10 to 15 is the class limit. Lower limit is 10 and upper limit is 15. Now we have to substitute all the values in the formula. So median equal to, so L, that is lower limit, is 10, and n by 2 is 20 minus what is cumulative frequency value, that is this 12. Okay, so 12 divided by frequency, that is 10 into 5. Simplify this, you will get 10 plus, so 8 divided by 10 into 5. So that is 10 plus, so if you simplify you will get 4. So answer is 14. So median value is 14. Next, mode value. Formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 plus F2 into C. So we have to find frequency of model class, frequency of pre-model class, and frequency of post-model class. So first consider the frequency value. So highest frequency is, that is 10. So this 10 is the frequency of model class value. So this is F1. We are considering the highest value, that is frequency of model class, that is F1. So preceding value, that is 7 here is frequency of pre-model class, and succeeding value, that is frequency of post-model class, that is F2. Okay. Next we have to find lower limit of model class value. So F1 is the model class, so that corresponds to 10 to 15 class limit. So this L value is 10 here. So 10 is the lower limit of model class. So now substitute all the values in the given formula. So here L value is 10, F0 is 7, F1 10, and F2 is 8. So if you substitute, you will get L value is 10 plus, what is F1? 10 minus divided by 2 into 10 minus F0 is 7 plus F2 is 8 into C. C value is class interval, that is 5. So simplify this. So 10 plus, first 10 minus 7, that is 3 divided by, multiply 2 into 10, 20 minus, add these two. So 7 plus 8, 15 into 5. So 10 plus 3 divided by 20 minus 15, that is 5 into 5. So if you simplify, these 5 will get cancelled. So we have 10 plus 3. So mode value is 13. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and click on like button. And for further notification to new videos, please press the bell icon. Thank you.